My friends, this week we are going to talk a little bit about floaters and sinkers. Do you know the difference between them? No? So let's do some science experiments and discover together. In this experiment, we are going to use a container with water and some objects that you can find at home. First, let's try the nail polish. All the way down in the water. So, this is a sinker. Now, the flower top. It's floating. It's on the top of the water. Now, a metal spoon. All the way down again. It's a sinker too. Did you see the difference, kids? The floaters are on the top of the water and the sinkers in the bottom of the container. A lipstick. It's floating. Look, kids, on the top of the water. So it's a floater. A clothespin now. It's floating too. Another floater. Now the blue crayon. All the way down in the water. Also a sinker. Did you like to be a scientist? Did you? I did. I love it. So, my friends, you can try to find other objects that are floaters or sinkers, okay? Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.